Well guys, we're back out and about again. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. So we are in the Yorkshire Dales today, and we're going to go up Pen-y-Ghent, which is one of the 3 peaks. And then we're going to make our way along to a place called Pot, which is a natural formation which looks brilliant. So I'll show you that when we get a bit further up. So yeah, bring it back just now. So just starting the walk now onto Pen-y-Ghent. I'm not really sure how far it is, but I can see it from here, so it's not that far. And then we'll walk on to Pot, which is a natural rock formation with a waterfall in it. And at certain times of the year, it can fill right up to the top, which I'll show you when we get there. So yeah, the sun's out. It is going to rain later on, so we'll just make sure we get out of the rain if it does come down. So I'll bring you back just now. Great to be back out there. Now we're up there guys now, Pen-y-Ghent. Bit windy, bit overcast, but other than that, it's lovely. Right, I'll bring you back when we get near the top. Bit of a scramble left at the top guys. I'll bring you back. Very popular route for the 3 peaks obviously. Well, I'm hanging on my hat here. Starting to get a bit of a dab on. Just up there now. Not be long. Bring you back in a bit. Right, that's the ridge complete. Absolutely knackered. It's been a few weeks since I've been out. It's windy as out again. It's always windy when I come out. Right, I'll bring you back, sorry, when we get up the top. Right guys, we're going to see if we can find Pot. So I'll bring you back when we get near to where we're going. But I've got to find it first. Right guys, we've just come down off the back of Pen-y-Ghent, and we're just going to make our way along that path behind me, all the way around to Pot. If we can find it, we still cannot see it, it's well hidden. Right guys, we've found the path. So we're on our way to Hull Pot. So Hull Pot is a natural formation. It should have a nice waterfall on, if there's plenty of water. I'm not too sure. We'll have to see what it's like when we get there. But it's just off the beaten path, off the main drag of the Pen-y-Ghent way. So I'll bring you back when we get a bit further up and see what it's like. We'll have something to eat, I think. Well guys, we're at Hull Pot. You can see the waterfall coming out the side of the mountain. There's a pan round here. You'll see it's a great big gorge. Absolutely fantastic. And in the winter, when this is overflown properly, it actually fills right the way to the top. So we'll make our way around, we'll have a good look. Bring you back in a bit. So the river's actually dried up a bit really, not much here, but when that's in full flow it goes straight over the edge. Fantastic. Well, it's absolutely fantastic, the weather. Look at that little waterfall, beautiful. Right, time for a spot of lunch, I'll bring you back in a bit. Right guys, I'm going to have a quick look over the edge for you. Watch what I'm doing, because it's a long way down. That waterfall there, it's coming straight from under the ground. There's no river, it just comes under the ground, straight off the mountains, all the way down. Brilliant, isn't it? Look at that. Unbelievable. Well guys, that brings us to the end of the out and about. So yes, we've been to the Yorkshire Dales, we've been up on the Pen-y-Ghent, one of the 3 peaks in Yorkshire, and then we've walked down to a place called Hull Pot. You'll have seen that, absolutely fantastic place. Definitely come back in the winter to see it in full flow. So thanks again for anyone who subscribed, really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, click the button, come along, have a little journey with me, and then we'll get out and about somewhere else. So I'll see you in a bit.